Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So let us start to solve ut-2, Engineering Mathematics 1. We have conducted second unit test of which chapter?
Successive differentiation.
Yes, successive differentiation. Here we go for first example. Let f of x is equal to log of x divided by x plus 1. And let nth derivative denote y raised to n denote the nth derivative of f of x at x is equal to 1. Then the value of 2 into y raised to 100 plus 100 into y raised to 99. Now here y raised to 100 means here 100th derivative, and y raised to 99, it is the 99th derivative of that given function, and we have to find out that value. I think so many students couldn't find the proper value or how to solve this example. Okay, so look at this. The given function, that is y, that is f of x, is given here, and here nth derivative, that is y raised to n. So check out that. Consider y is equal to log x divided by x plus 1. Okay, therefore x plus 1 into y is equal to log x. Now we are taking nth derivative of given function. So here applying that u into v, if y is equal to u into v, then nth derivative of yn by using Leibniz theorem. So here x plus 1 as it is into nth derivative of yn plus n into next derivative of x plus 1, that is 1, into previous derivative of
yn minus 1.
n minus 1 is equal to, याच्या पुढे जाणार नाही कारण इथे here it is 1. The next derivative of log x, nth derivative of log x, minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into a raised to n divided by ax plus b bracket raised to n. So here simply we have x raised to n. Yes. Now look at this. Here n and n minus 1. N is equal to 100. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 99. Okay. Now at x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in this expression. What we are getting? 1 plus 1. This is 2 into yn. Put n is equal to 100. So it is y 100th derivative. आता या ठिकाणी सफिक्स मध्ये घेतलेला आहे, पण ऍक्च्युअल आपण हे y raised to n म्हणजे या ठिकाणी nth डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ गिवन फंक्शन. लक्षात येतं ना आपण yn म्हणजे काय? nth डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ गिवन फंक्शन. सो n is equal to 100 means y raised to 100. Here I have taken that raised to 100 means here 100th derivative of given function plus put n again here, it is 100 into y n minus 1th derivative. So n, that is 100 minus 1, it is 99, which is equal to, put x is equal to 1 in this function. So minus 1 raised to 100 minus 1, it is 99 into 100 minus 1 factorial. So 99 factorial divided by 1 raised to n, that is 1. Simplifying this term, 2 into 100th derivative of y plus 100 into 99th derivative of y is equal to minus 1 raised to 99. Minus 1 raised to 99. Means here we are getting that positive or negative 1?
Negative 1.
Negative. So minus 99 factorial. Now tell me which option is the correct option?
Option B.
Yes, here it is the B option. Okay.
Yes.
Clear this. I have chosen that option B. Okay. The next. Tell me the answer of x into sin x. If y is equal to x into sin x, then nth derivative of given function. Consider u and v. U is equal to sin x because we know the nth derivative of standard function. Sin x चा nth derivative आपल्याला माहिती आहे आणि x चा नेक्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 येतोय. म्हणजे काय येईल आता इथं?
ऑप्शन
x
D.
into
ऑप्शन D.
हा. Look at this. If x is equal to v and u is equal to sin x, then according to that Lipschitz theorem, so here we are using that directly result of standard functions. So v as it is into nth derivative of sin x, sin of x plus
N
n pi by 2
2.
plus n into derivative of x, that is 1, into previous derivative of sin of x plus n pi by 2. So here sin of x plus
n
minus
minus
1 into
pi
by
by
2. Then tell me that which option is the correct option?
option D.
Option.
Yes, it is option D. Go for next. Now look at this. In this example, we have f of x. Here also we are going with derivative. So what we have to find out? Look at this. Square root of f of x is nothing but y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. Now here nth derivative, yn denotes the nth derivative of f of x at x is equal to 0. So here we have to find out 6 into first derivative into second derivative plus 2 into third derivative. Okay, so take that by taking square on both sides. Here we cannot find easily, so I for my convenience I am taking square of both sides. So y square is equal to 1 minus x square. Now first derivative, take out that first derivative. Tell me that first derivative. 2 into
2y
y y1 is equal to derivative of this term
minus 2x.
minus 2x. Then again differentiate this term because we need here y raised to 3, so y3. Again taking the next derivative 2 into आता 2 सोडला बाहेर y into y1. Derivative of y into y1 y1 square plus y is equal to minus 2. Then again we are taking that third derivative. Okay, so 2 constant into y1 square 2 y1 y2 plus
y1 y2
y1 y2 plus y3 is equal to minus 2. What here at x is equal to 0? At x is equal to 0, what will be the value of y1?
minus 2 नाही
Minus x square.
लास्ट स्टेपला minus 2 चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह
It is 0. It is 0. So make it is 0. Put that value here. 2y3, 2y by 3. Just I am multiplying these terms. 2y1. Here it will be 4y1 y2 plus y1 y2 plus y, sorry, it is 2. It is also 2. y3 is equal to 0. Now we are keeping, we have to find out 6 na. 6y1
6y1 y2
हम्म
तिथे ऍडिशन होतं.
इथं 6y1 y2 येतं. सो 6 या ठिकाणी असं येणार आहे इंटू दिस इज प्लस 2y/3 घेतलेलं आहे इथं. या ठिकाणी 2y/3 पाहिजे. 2y/3 व्हॅल्यू काय मिळते आपल्याला? झिरोच मिळते ना. इट इज 0. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Here it is B option. Next, tell me that now. 2x sin x into cos x. Now here it will be x into 2 sin x cos x. X into 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is equal
x into sin 2x.
Hmm?
X into sin 2x.
X into sin 2x.
Sin of 2x.
Yes, you can get that answer. X into 2 raised to n into sin 2x plus n pi by 2. Okay. Plus n into 2 raised to n minus 1 into sin of 2x plus n minus 1 into pi by 2. Which option is the correct option now? Which one?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B. Option B. Now we are going for next one. Tell me x square into e raised to x. I think this question has repeated 3 times.
Yes.
3 मार्क्स फुकट मिळालेत आपल्याला. चलो.
Option A.
Which option is the correct option?
Option A.
Option
A.
करेक्ट आहे.
Yes, ma'am.
मला एखादा मार्क कमी पडला तर तुमचा आन्सर चुकलेला असणार आहे. तुम्ही सांगताय मला आन्सर. नेक्स्ट.
Ma'am, correct.
नेक्स्ट वन. y is equal to cos square x.
Option B. Option B.
We have solved so many times. Next, y is equal to x raised to n minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Then yn is equal to. Who will tell me that answer?
Option A.
Yes, it is correct. Then how? Have you find that solution?
Yes, ma'am. पेपरच्या वेळेस.
X raised to n minus 1. You can put it as x raised to n minus 1 raised to n. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Otherwise, you can consider derivatives. X raised to n. n च्या ठिकाणी 1, 2, 3 पुट करा. तुम्हाला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय मिळेल जाईल? एका स्टेपला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह तुम्हाला 0 मिळेल. बरोबर आहे? सो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन.
मॅम सॉल्व करून देतो थोडस नॉर्मल फॉर्म मध्ये.
नॉर्मल फॉर्म
म्हणजे आपण जनरल सोडवलेल्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये कन्वर्ट होईपर्यंत नाही समजलं.
पुट n इज इक्वल टू 1, 2, 3. सोपं सिंपल सांगते तुम्हाला. आता इथे बघा y इज इक्वल टू, सपोज मी असं घेतलं x स्क्वेअर मायनस 1 डिवायडेड बाय x मायनस 1. ओके, सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग दैट x स्क्वेअर मायनस 1 स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय x मायनस 1 which is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. X minus 1 cancel. So here y is equal to x plus 1. Derivative of y is equal to x plus 1 is y1 or y dash is equal to 1. Again next derivative, if we are taking that y2, the derivative of this constant will be 0. Put n is equal to 3, or you can consider like this, x raised to n minus 1 raised to n. डिवायडेड बाय x मायनस 1. या ठिकाणी तुम्ही यांच्या व्हॅल्यू डिफरंट पुट करत गेलात तर तुम्हाला प्रत्येक स्टेजला म्हणजे एक पहिले 2-3 स्टेप मिळत जातील. त्याच्यानंतर एका स्टेजला तिथे व्हॅल्यू तुमची 0 मिळते. ओके.
ओके.
So here first option is the correct option. Next, tell me that x into e raised to 2x, then yn is equal to. Which option is the correct option?
Option C.
ऑप्शन सी.
Option C.
Yes,
Ma'am, option C.
Yes. Third option is the correct option. Then k raised to x into cos of bx plus c. या ठिकाणी कॉन्स्टंट k घेतलेला आहे तुमचा. r raised to n into k raised to x. Cos of bx plus c plus n phi.
Option B.
Option
Next.
B.
2 raised to x into x. Now here you have to consider, look at this example as y is equal to x into a raised to x. We know the nth derivative of a raised to x. What is that?
A raised to x log
A raised to
A
x
raised to
into
n.
log A.
Into
Brackets e raised to n.
bracket raised to n. Okay. So in same way, x into 2 raised to x is there. So nth derivative of 2 raised to x.
2 raised to x log 2 raised to n.
2 raised to x into log 2 bracket raised to n. This is nth derivative. Previous derivative will be 2 raised to x into log 2 bracket raised
Log
to
2
n minus 1.
n minus 1.
Okay. So tell me that answer. Which option is the correct option now?
Option D.
D.
Third, last one, na?
Yes.
Last one?
Option C, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, did we
Because
end?
n is missing in this last.
Missing.
So
Yes.
n into log 2 raised to n minus 1. If you are taking the 2 raised to x common, look at this. 2 raised to x. First, that is x as it is, 2 raised to x into log a bracket raised to n plus n into 1 into 2 raised to x into log a bracket raised to, या ठिकाणी 2 आहे तर, so log 2 raised to n minus 1. By taking that common term 2 raised to x, so in bracket x into log 2 raised to n plus n into log 2 raised to n minus 1. So here it is 2 raised to x. Okay. Which option correct? Third one. Now next, x into e raised to 3x.
Option C.
Option C.
Third one. Now tell me log of 3x plus 2.
Option B.
Option B.
Second one.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
n plus
Okay,
4.
this one is also correct. Next, 1 upon x minus 2 bracket raised to 2. X minus 2 raised to 2.
Option B.
Option B, ma'am.
Option
B.
just a minute. Which option is the correct option now?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B. Then next, y is equal to log x, then yn is equal to log x minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial divided by x raised
X
to
raised
n.
to n. D.
Option D.
Option
Option D. D.
then sine square x. Sine square x. One plus or one minus.
Option C.
Option C.
First, just tell me for sine square x.
1 minus
plus
1 minus cos square x by
Sine square x is equal
Cos
to
2x upon 1 minus cos 2x by 2.
1 minus
cos
Cos
square
2x
2x by
2x
cos 2x divided by
2.
2.
2.
So it is 1 by 2 in bracket 1 minus cos 2x. Okay. So here nth derivative हा first term तुमचा minus 1 by 2 cos of 2x plus n pi by 2 into 2 raised to n. No? So it is minus 2 raised to n minus 1 into cos of 2x plus n pi by 2. So actual all options, I think that given C and D, which were possible, but in this example 2 is missing. Even in this option the 2 is missing. So option C is the correct option, isn't it? या ठिकाणी 2 हवा होता आपला इथं. ठीक आहे. So third option is the correct option. Next, nth derivative of 1 upon x. Nth derivative of 1 upon x. 1 by x.
Option A.
Option E.
Option A.
Option C. Option C.
Here we are applying that formula. Which formula we are using? 1
1 upon
upon
a
ax plus
AX
b.
plus B.
If a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0, then we are getting that 1 upon x. Okay. So here nth derivative of this term is equal to minus 1 raised to
Minus 1
n
raised to
into
n into
n factorial into a raised to n divided by ax plus b bracket raised to n plus 1. Okay. So for this 1 upon x, minus 1 raised to n into n factorial divided by x raised to
n.
n plus 1. Which option is the correct option then?
Option A.
First option. Option A.
मॅम प्रिव्हियस एक एक्झाम्पलचं ऑप्शन चुकलंय इथं.
कोणाचं?
चूज करायचं
हे
त्याच्या वरच
हे
n+1 पाहिजे ना
कुठं?
खाली. ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट येतो ना इथं.
लॉग ऑफ एक्स प्लस बी चा रिझल्ट बघा आणि मला सांगा. नेक्स्ट वन. If y is equal to 1 upon x plus 2 raised to 2. 1 upon x plus 2 raised to 2. Here n is equal to 2. त्या ठिकाणी m घेतले ना आपण.
Option A.
ए
Y is equal to 1 upon x plus 2 raised to 2. So according to that result, 1 upon ax plus b bracket raised to m. What is that? Minus 1 raised to n into m minus m plus n minus 1 factorial divided by m minus 1 factorial into
a raised to n
divided by
ax
x plus b bracket raised to n plus 1. N plus 1 now? That is m plus m. N plus m. M plus n. Okay. So minus 1 raised to n into 2 plus n minus 1 factorial divided by m minus 1 factorial. That is 2 minus 1. That is 1 factorial into 1 raised to n divided by x plus 2 bracket raised to m plus 2 na, sorry, n plus 2, m is 2,
n plus
so
2.
n plus 2, which is equal to minus 1 raised to n into n minus 1 factorial
No, ma'am.
divided
N
by
plus 1. Ma'am, n plus 1. 2 minus 1.
Plus
m
1.
minus
2
n plus
minus
1.
Plus it.
2 minus 1.
It is plus 1. n plus 1 factorial x plus 2 raised to n plus 2. Which option is the correct option then? X plus 2. A option, na?
Option A.
Yes.
Option A. Here it is option A. Next, x square into e raised to x.
A.
X square into e raised to x.
Option A.
Which option is correct option now?
Option A.
A.
A option.
Yes.
N square minus n.
Yes.
Is it correct or wrong?
Correct.
Okay. Let us start. Phi n is equal to x square into e raised to x plus n into 2x into e raised to x plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into 2 into e raised to x. Hereafter we are not taking next derivative because 2 will cancel and derivative of 2 will be 0. So nth derivative of this given function x square by taking e raised to x common, x square plus 2nx plus n into n square minus n. So option A is the correct option. Next one. For the given function f of x is equal to square root of x cube plus x raised to 7, the values of first and second derivative at x is equal to 1 are assumed as 0 and 1 respectively. Then the value of the third derivative could be. Here also we are taking only derivatives, nothing more than that. So look at this f of x. Just consider this f of x as y. Either consider that f of x or you can consider y. So we have y is equal to square root of x cube plus x raised to 7. Such type of examples you can solve easily. You know how to solve it. But to make you confuse, such type of examples will give in MCQs or in online exams. एक्झाम्पल खूप सोपे असतात, आपल्याला सगळं आन्सर्स माहिती असतं, तरी सुद्धा आपण त्या ठिकाणी कन्फ्यूज होतो. आता या ठिकाणी काय करायचंय, टेकिंग स्क्वेअर ऑन बोथ साइड. सो y स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू x क्यूब प्लस x रेज टू 7. ओके, टेकिंग फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव, व्हाट विल बी दैट, y 2y y1 is equal to 3x square plus 7 into x raised to 6. Then 2 बाजूला ठेवला, आपल्याला थर्ड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विचारलंय, म्हणजे आपल्याला आणखीन 2 डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यावे लागतील. सो y into y1, so it will be y1 square plus y2 is equal to 6x plus 7 into 6, 42x raised to 7. Sorry, it is 5. 5. Next, 2 into next derivative y1 square, so it will be 2 y1 y2 plus derivative of y y2, it will be y1 y2 plus y y3 is equal to 6 plus 210 into x raised to 4. Okay, now just to find out, assumed that काय दिलं इथं, फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय दिले तुम्हाला, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1. Here first derivative y1 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to 1. Now we are keeping these values in this third derivative, this expression completely, where we have taken that derivative. So 2 into 2, y1 is 0. So look at this, first term we are getting that 0 plus, again here we have y1, So again it is 0 plus 2 into y. 2 into y into y3. So 2 into y at x is equal to 1. So here we have y square. So y square means here y square is equal to 1 plus 1. It is equal to 2. Therefore y will be square root of 2. इथे बघा 1 plus 1 पुट करा, y ची व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला at x is equal to 1 ला √2 मिळेल. So 2 into square root of 2 into y3 is equal to 6 plus 210 into 1. Okay, so finally we are getting the term as √2 into y3 is equal to 216 divided by 2. Therefore, √2 into y3 is equal to 216 divided by 2. 108.
08.
Yes. Therefore, y3 is equal to 108 divided by √2. आता 108 ला तुम्ही 2 ने डिवाइड केलं तर काय मिळेल तुम्हाला 54 into 2 divided by √2. आता 2 divided by √2 मग तुम्हाला काय मिळेल तिथं y3 is equal to 54 into 2 can be written as √2 into √2. 1 √2 will cancel, remaining term is √2. So which option is the correct option? Option A. Yes. So example सोपं आहे ना, फक्त आपण थोडंसं कन्फ्युज होऊन जातो. स्क्वेअर रूट दिले की आपण लगेच कन्फ्युज होऊन जातो. फक्त डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचे आपल्याला इथं. So which option is the correct option? Option A. Now next. कोणता ऑप्शन करेक्ट आहे? Which one?
C.
C.
Shall I submit now?
Yes.
Before submitting the paper, just look out whether you have solved all questions, whether you have attempted that all questions, and then you can submit that. Okay. आता या ठिकाणी मी माझा मेल आयडी टाकला नाहीये. जो असेल तो सबमिट होऊन जाईल. किती मार्क पडतात ते तिकडे जातील. ठीक आहे. आता या ठिकाणी काय विचारले क्वेश्चन?
फर्स्ट टाइम नाही.
Taxis images.
अजून एक.
ओके. आता हे जे काही मार्क्स असतील त्या टेस्टच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये जातील माझे मार्क्स. याच्यामध्ये आता कोणाला डाऊट होता? Everyone understood very well? I think so. Okay. Now we are going to solve the examples of expansion of functions, and in that indeterminate forms. त्याच्यामधला एक शेवटचा बीट, त्याच्यामधला एक पार्ट राहिलाय indeterminate form. So look at that example. Just I'm taking that here. Indeterminate form. Exponential form आपला संपलेला आहे. आणि याच्यामध्ये ऍक्च्युअल हा जो इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म आहे म्हणजे लिमिट फाइंड आउट करतोय आपण त्या ठिकाणी लिमिट्स चे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करतोय. तर त्याच्यामध्ये फाइंडिंग आउट द कॉन्स्टंट म्हणजे सपोज त्या दिलेल्या फंक्शन मध्ये एबीसी दिलेलं असेल तर एबीसी चे व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचे. एवढंच आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. सो लुक एट दॅट फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. फाइंडिंग कॉन्स्टंट्स इफ लिमिट as x tends to 0 sin 2x plus a into sin x divided by x cube be finite. Be finite. Then find the value of a, and hence the limit. Now in this example, we are going to find out the value of a, and finally we are solving this limit. Okay, so look at that. Consider given limit is equal to limit with x is equal to 0 sine 2x plus a into sine x divided by x cube. By keeping x is equal to 0, we get 0 by 0 form. Okay, so apply L'Hospital rule. By taking that L'Hospital rule, x tends to 0. Sine 2x, derivative of sine 2x, that is cos 2x plus a into sine x, derivative of a into sine x, that is a cos x divided by 3x square. Suppose this as the first expression. Now put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. So here we are getting that 2 into cos 0, this is 2, plus a into cos 0, that is a, divided by 0. Okay. Now this 0 I am shifting on left hand side. Therefore, we are getting that equation as 2 plus a is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 2. Now put a is equal to minus 2 in this first expression. So that we are getting the limit equal to limit as x tends to 0 2 cos 2x minus 2 into cos x. By putting a is equal to minus 2, it will be minus 2 cos x in minus 2 into cos x divided by 3x square. Now put x is equal to 0. 2 minus 2, again we are getting that 0, and in denominator also 0. So it is 0 by 0 form. So by getting 0 by 0 form, we should apply L'Hospital rule. So applying that L'Hospital rule, it will be limit as x tends to 0. Derivative of 2 cos 2x, it will be minus, it is minus 2 cos 2x. 2 constant, derivative of cos 2x, that is 2 sin x. Then again it will be plus 2 sin x divided by 6x. By keeping x is equal to 0, 0 by 0 फॉर्म येतो. परत आपण याला L'Hospital rule apply करतोय. So here limit as x tends to 0, as we have in numerator 2 into 2 4. So minus 4, derivative of sine 2x, 2 into cos 2x, plus derivative of 2 sin x, it is 2 cos x, divided by derivative of 6x, divided by 6x, derivative of 6x, that is 6. So put x is equal to 0, minus 4 into 2, it is minus 8, cos 0 1 plus 2 cos 0 1, that is plus 2, divided by 6. Therefore, we are getting that finite limit minus 2, minus 8 plus 2, minus 6 divided by 6
minus
is
1.
equal to minus 1. This is the finite value of given limit. Everyone understood this? Is there any doubt how we are solving here? प्रत्येकाने एक्झाम्पल समजलं हे?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
डाऊट आहे याच्यामध्ये?
No.
No, ma'am.
नाही ना? जस्ट अ
No,
मिनिट.
ma'am.
Next example, find the value of a, b and such that evaluate the limit. Look at this, the given limit sin x plus ax plus b x cube divided by x cube is equal to 0. इथे या ठिकाणी व्हॅल्यू दिली तुम्हाला. आता हे लिमिट कन्सिडर केलेलं आहे अगोदरच. So let us start by keeping x is equal to 0 in this. We are getting that 0 by 0. So apply L'Hospital rule, which is equal to limit as x tends to 0, derivative of sin x plus derivative of ax plus derivative of b into x cube divided by derivative of x cube
Ma'am, madam, slide change झाली नाहीये.
नाही का? Just a minute. दिसतं आता?
Yes, ma'am.
So as keeping x is equal to 0 in this function, we are getting that 0 by 0 form. Then we are applying that L'Hospital rule. So according to that, limit as x tends to 0, derivative of sin x, that is cos x, plus derivative of a into x, that is a, plus derivative of b into x cube, that is b into 3x square, divided by derivative of x cube 3x square. Put x is equal to 0. So what we are getting here, cos 0, that is 1 plus a plus 0 divided by 0. Means here we are getting that equation as 1 plus a is equal to 0, which implies a is equal to minus 1. Put this value of a is equal to minus 1 in this derivative, which is equal to limit as x tends to 0. या ठिकाणी आपण या फर्स्ट न्यूमरेटर मध्ये व्हॅल्यू पुट केली a ची, that is minus 1. So cos x minus 1 plus b into 3x square divided by 3x square. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. So cos 0, that is 1, 1 minus 1, 0, plus p into 0 divided by 0. So once again, we are getting that 0 by 0 form. Again, we are applying that L'Hospital's rule. So limit with x tends to 0, derivative of cos x minus sin x minus 0, plus derivative of 3x square. It is b into 6x divided by derivative of 3x square. It is 6x. Again, we are keeping that x is equal to 0. So it will be 0 by 0 form. Once again, we are applying that L'Hospital's rule. So limit as x tends to 0 minus sin x, derivative of minus sin x, it is minus cos x, plus derivative of 6x, it is 6 into b divided by 6. Now put x is equal to 0 in this expression. So by keeping that x equal to 0, it will be minus 1 plus 6b divided by 6. Therefore, we are getting that limit minus 1 upon 6 plus 6b divided by 6. It is simply b. Therefore, b is equal to, we are getting that 1 by 6. So once again, we are keeping that b is equal to 1 by 6. So it will be 1. So limit x tends to 0 minus cos x plus 6. It is 1. It is plus 1. Sorry, it is plus 1 divided by 6. Put x is equal to 0. By putting x is equal to 0, minus cos 0 plus 1, it will be 0. But here value of a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay. समजलं का हे?
Yes, ma'am.
How to find out that constant? फक्त त्याच्यामध्ये आपण व्हॅल्यू पुट केले, लिमिट पुट केलं की त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू काय मिळतात ते चेक करायचं आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग या टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह म्हणजे हे म्हणजे कॉन्स्टंट आपल्याला मिळून जातील. कॉन्स्टंट ए असेल, बी असेल, सी असेल. याच्यामध्ये कोणाला काही डाऊट आहे?
नो मॅम. नो मॅम.
The next will be next example. Limit as x tends to 0 sin 2x plus ax plus b x cube divided by x झालं ना आता जस्ट घेतलं ना आपण example just I have taken that example.
Yes, ma'am.
हेच घेतलं होतं का आपण दुसरं एक्झाम्पल घेतलं होतं
तेच
हे दुसरं होतं नाही sin x चं होतं ते sin 2x नाही sin x चं होतं ते त्याच्या आधीच एक्झाम्पल होतं ते sin x चं होतं
Yes.
हे होतं ना
Yes, ma'am.
येस.
हे एक्झाम्पल आपण हे सॉल्व्ह केलं होतं आता हे नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल लिहून घ्या ते फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a and b such that limit x tends to 0 sin 2x plus ax plus bx cube divided by just instead of that sin x sin 2x दिलेला आहे त्यामुळे या ठिकाणी cos 0 1 येतो मग a plus 2 येतं ठीक आहे So here we have completed our third chapter, expansion of functions. Link of MCQs of expansion of function I have given in teaching diary. ज्या ठिकाणी आपले M1 चे आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये समोर तिथे एक्सपान्शन ऑफ फंक्शनचे दोन MCQ चे ते सेट टाकलेले आहेत दोन्ही तिथे आहेत ते बघा ते सॉल्व्ह करा ठीक आहे येत नसेल तर तो क्वेश्चन लिहून घ्या क्वेश्चन विचारा आपण तिथे सॉल्व्ह करूयात क्लासमध्ये आणि जे तुम्ही ISC चे पेपर्स अपलोड केलेले आहेत त्याची हार्ड कॉपी मला सबमिट करायची आहे. तर आपला कॉलेज लवकरात लवकर चालू होऊन जाईल, तर त्यावेळेस येऊन सबमिट करायचे सगळ्यांनी. एव्हरीवन अंडरस्टूड दिस?
येस मॅम.
ठीक आहे. माझ्याकडे जे हार्ड कॉपी तुम्ही जे सबमिट केलंय PDF, मला ऍज इट इज तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करून जो PDF पाठवलाय तेच पेपर्स मला हवेत. आता चेक करा तुम्ही कुणाचे बघून कसे सॉल्व्ह केलेले आहेत किंवा कसे अपलोड केलेले आहेत. इट अप टू यू नाउ. Let me check your attendance. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Roll number 20, 21, okay, 22, 23.
मॅम.
Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. 20, 21, 23. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. ओके, हा सांगा कोण बोलतंय?
मॅम C23 जस्ट लिफ्ट झाले मी नेट प्रॉब्लेम आल्यामुळे.
Thank you all of you.